officially gonna start our day one in Bangkok. The first thing on our list is hit up a tailor shop just because custom-made clothing here is extremely cheap, and my boyfriend really wants to get some suits done, so we're gonna go to our nearest tailor shop, which is I think a 10-minute walk away from our hotel, and then later on we're gonna go and hit up the skywalk. I forget the name. Do you remember what the skywalk is called?
Something Mahanakhon. It's King Power Mahanakhon.
Yeah, I'll put the name right here and I'll show you guys when we get there. But yeah, let's get the day started. There was actually quite a few tailor suit shops on the strip, so we took our time to browse around and we ended up at this tailor shop called Boss. If you decide to get custom suits done, please make sure to give them at least 3 days to get it done, so make sure to plan accordingly to your travel plans. My boyfriend ended up getting 3 shirts and 2 suits, pants and jacket included, for around $700 Canadian, and he even threw in a free tie. The turnaround time was super quick and they were able to drop it off at our hotel once it was done. Alright guys, so we are at the Mahanakhon Skywalk, which is one of their like really beautiful tourist attractions that have like a walkway. Like you can literally see like down below the building, which is like supposed to be really scary. We're gonna go check it out. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's go.
What is this place called again?
Polo fried chicken.
Yeah, so right now we are waiting for a table at Polo Fried Chicken. Apparently it's Michelin recommended. I'm actually really excited to try them out because his client recommended this place and it's actually really busy. So, I mean, I would expect it's pretty good if it's this busy. We're just waiting for a table right now and I will show you guys everything once we get all the food. Okay, so we just got seated down at Polo Fried Chicken. Looking at the menu right now, there's quite a lot of stuff, but obviously we're going to get a half fried chicken because that's what they're known for. Wait, what was it that you want? Papaya salad with dried shrimp? Which one was it that you wanted? Oh, they have papaya salad with blue crab.
Well, they have the cooked prawn, right? So they're right here.
Ooh, papaya salad with salted egg and dried shrimp.
You want that one or you want this one?
Which one?
And then we'll get the pork neck.
So half order the fried chicken, the grilled pork neck.
Babe,
Yes, yeah, do the order.
half order fried chicken. Thai style. Is there anything else you want to try, babe?
Nope, that's it.
And one.
Oh, there's a backside. Oh my god. I think that's enough food for now, babe. Thank you. They had like this pickled crab with roe, and it looks really, really good. Anyways, we just ordered. I will show you guys all the food later. We got some beer. Oh, so refreshing. Oh my god. Much needed. Okay, so our food just arrived. It looks amazing. So how are you gonna start? I want to try the fried chicken first. This is their chicken.
You gotta get the garlic bite.
That's great. So this is what?
Papaya salad with the shrimp. Or the prawns.
Let's try the papaya salad. Love the papaya salad. It's a little bit spicy.
Let's get spice though.
It's really good. Very flavorful. It like punches you in the face. So good. So this is their pork neck. Pork neck. That sauce. Really, really good. Do you like the fried chicken?
I thought it was gonna be crispier.
I think the papaya salad is really good. The pork neck is best. So would you recommend this place? Like, how would you rate this place?
I said it's solid like 8.5. Chicken's good. Different from Western. Garlic bits is good. This papaya salad is amazing. Grilled pork is awesome too.
So you give it 8.5?
Yeah, it's a solid meal through and through.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
Wow.
Just because I feel like the chicken, I feel like they hyped it up quite a bit. It didn't really live up to the expectation. So yeah, I think it's a 7 out of 10. The papaya salad is great. We didn't really wait too long anyways. It was maybe a 10 to 15 minute wait and that's it. But it's still really good. But yeah, we're just gonna continue eating. Thanks for watching us eat. Stay tuned because we're probably gonna go somewhere else and eat more later. So I'll see you in a bit. So we just finished with Polo fried chicken. We're just wandering around right now just because I kind of want to see if they have a stall that sells mango sticky rice. But yeah, it's like humid. I don't know if you guys can see my face. It's kind of glistening right now because it's hot. What are they selling here? I don't know if you guys can see the sweat on my face, but we went into a random mall because I really need the AC. Like outside is so hot. I'm literally...
She's glistening.
I'm literally glistening, man. Like literally drips of sweat coming down my face. It's not pleasant, it's not beautiful. Yeah, we're just in a random mall. Guys, I am exhausted. Like literally we walked over to Terminal 21, which is like one of the biggest malls around this area. It's huge, multiple levels filled with stuff to check out. It was exhausting. And after that, we walked back and the temperature did not lower. It's still very hot. And so there's like sweat pebbles on my nose again. Yeah. It has been a very sweaty day, not gonna lie. Anton is taking a shower right now because he needs to rinse off his sweat. This shirt has absorbed so much sweat today. It's disgusting. But enough of sweat talk. We did pick up a couple things at the mall. There's this brand called Cha Tra Mui, and they're the original Thai tea. So then we saw the stall in the mall. Obviously, we have to give it a try. And I can 100% tell you that this is really worth. It's so good. We ended up buying the 3-in-1 milk tea package, and I think that was for, I don't remember how many bahts, 175 bahts or something like that, but it was delicious. Highly recommend. And then we also, because it's Chinese New Year, so from February 2nd to the 11th, they have these Chinese booths for like throughout the whole entire mall, and they sell dumplings and all that kind of stuff. So we found a stall that does Thai dumplings, and they look so freaking good. So Anton bought a mix, this is called a big mix set, which comes with a variety of like different dumplings. Just gonna open this up. That looks so freaking good. Like, oh my gosh. So this is like a mixture of like the different ones, but the main one that I wanted to try is this one right here, which has like the shrimp tail coming out. That looks so bomb. They also gave us some sauces, sauce packages and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna add that on later and try it out. That looks amazing. We also got our first mango sticky rice. I'm actually really excited because for this trip, one of the main things I want to try is the mango sticky rice. This is not a stall from like the streets. I'm trying to avoid street food just right now because I'm really scared of getting food poisoning and getting sick. But so this one is from the mall. Obviously it's not like the cheapest or anything, but that looks really, really bomb. I'm gonna open this up right now. Like, you cannot tell me that that does not look perfect. Got some sauce right here, which I'm gonna put on later. And then Anton ended up getting a moss burger, which he's gonna be eating later. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna cool down with this AC in our room because I'm so hot. It's been a good day and it's not over yet. We're trying to not lay on the bed because we still have to go to rooftop bar later. And this rooftop bar has been all over social media. You guys probably have seen it. It has like this, like all these lights, like these red lights that dangle on top of the rooftop, and it looks so beautiful and stunning. I forgot the name. I think it's called Ticha. You know what? I'm so bad with names. I'm just gonna put it right here. So yeah, we're hoping to regain some energy, drink a little bit more Thai tea, and then we're gonna head out to the rooftop bar a little bit later and check it out. We don't like to stay late, but we're trying to fight the jet lag right now, and we're in hopes of going out at like 9 or 10 will help with the whole jet lag for the whole duration of the trip. So we'll see how it goes. But anyways, the day is not over yet, so stay tuned.
So the line at Tichuca rooftop was way too long, so we ended up at this bar called Midsummer Night's Dream, and the cocktails here taste so good. Anyways, that's it to this episode. Make sure to follow along so you don't miss out on the next episode.